Well, good morning, everybody. It's Wednesday at 10:30, which means we are getting ready for our
live stream.
Yes, I scream, you scream, we all scream live stream. Can't wait. We are doing
It's time to do a Facebook Live.
That's Lisa's reminder that it's time to do a Facebook Live. So we were early for this, which I love. Good morning, everybody. We have a garden edition of our live stream at 11 a.m. over at QVC.com, but Lisa always puts a link in our Facebook page, so you'll be able to click on it there. Stacy's on board. Hey, Joy. Good to see you guys. John Brady's here. Hey, John. Good to see you. We are doing a garden party. I wore my little Geely jumpsuit with my cute little Buddha jacket.
I was going to wear, you know, I have that exact same outfit.
This whole exact same outfit?
Exact same outfit. I was going to wear it.
Who wore it better? Thank goodness.
That's why I didn't, because you would have.
I doubt it. No way. Joy Gather's on the board. Izzy's here. Melissa's here. Garden party. Okay, you guys, hold on. Okay, just here's a little sneak peek of what we're going to be doing. One of the recipes, these adorable vegetable critters, vegetable and fruit critters. When you talk about playing with your food, we're going to play with our food, okay? We are going to do 3 great recipes, and these are super simple recipes when you need to get something out on the table. Hold on, my hands are like covered in yuck. Gabrielle said, cute outfit. Well, thank you. I may have shamelessly promoted it just now. Woo, I love it. Every time I put this on, I'm so happy. The only thing is with the jumpsuit, you guys know, the bathroom situation. I mean, you gotta get out of the jumpsuit, get in the jumpsuit, get out of the jumpsuit, get in the jumpsuit. Too much information. All right, moving on. Lisa, hello. Deborah, hi. Kimberly's here. Lisa's like, wrap it up. All right, so we are gonna do 3 great recipes. We're gonna do a grasshopper mocktail. So growing up, my parents always drank grasshoppers when we would go out to restaurants. And when you're a little kid, you're kind of like, what's happening over there? What exactly is a grasshopper? Are there ground up grasshoppers in there? Hello from Lewis. Susan, come on down. I mean, we're like neighbors. Janet, how you doing? She's saying hello to both of us. Critter food matches your dress. I did that on purpose. I match my dress to everything. But look, this was the recipe for the critters. You guys, look at these. I can't. Peanut butter, cream cheese. You could do cream cheese and olives, Lisa's favorite. She said to me, and don't try to feed me an olive. Okay.
I know how you. I know how you do.
Eating it.
I know how you roll, girl.
All right. So we're gonna do a grasshopper mocktail.
Yeah.
Really fun. Love. I mean, white hot chocolate mix. The end. Enough said. Can't wait to try that. We're doing the garden bug recipe, which is just a really fun way to kind of get some fruits and vegetables. Fun play to layer in with maybe a charcuterie board, and they're just fun. So talk you through some easy steps from there. Cheryl's on board, Loretta's here, Valerie's here. What's everybody up to? Happy Wednesday. We are shot out of a cannon. Lisa was on at midnight. I was on at 7 a.m. this morning on QVC, and now we're gonna be doing our live stream in about 30 minutes. The final recipe, how about some chocolate covered ladybug strawberries? I was gonna say chocolate covered ladybugs, and then I was like, don't forget the strawberry, or that sounds a little creepy.
Have you ever eaten like a chocolate covered ant or a chocolate covered grasshopper?
No.
Have you?
No.
Joe has.
Really?
Yes. He has.
Have you guys ever eaten a bug?
An insect.
An insect. I wish you could see Lisa's face right now. It's full repulsion. You never know until you try it. It tastes like chicken. Isn't that what they always say?
I'll go get one. I'll get one for you.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. Stay tuned. We're going to eat some bugs. The good bugs, though. This is so fun. Oh, Susan, we love you. You guys are so much. You guys make us so happy. We look forward to this live stream all week.
It's the best day of the week.
It's the best day of the week. As soon as we're done with this one, we're already like planning the next one for next Wednesday. It's just fun. We totally. Susan said not intentionally. I said, have you ever eaten a bug? Right.
Tell them that story about how many spiders you eat in a lifetime.
No. Guys, I am petrified of spiders. I should tell them the bat story. So the Lasorts come over the other day, Monday. I think I had told you. Yeah. Come in. Hi. You can't just have one eyeball in there. You're usually. Hi. So the Lasorts come over on Monday for like a little barbecue, of which we did not barbecue, by the way. So I don't know why we call it. I don't know why we call it a barbecue, but they came over and we're just hanging out. And Ed proceeds to tell me, random, am I right? He just out of the blue says,
we're just all in the pool and
just hanging out, and all of a sudden he says, yeah, I didn't tell you the other night, but I'm pretty sure there was a bat in the living room. And I was like,
I die.
Lisa's literally like, Ed, you can't just blammo something like that. Like, what are you talking about? And I'm like, what do you mean? And he's like, ask Bridget, our daughter-in-law. He's like, ask Bridget. I'm like, oh, so now you two are conspiring, right? There's a bat in our living room. I happened to go to bed a little earlier. And he's like, yeah, you know, it's like about that big. And I'm like, it's about that big. He's like, well, it was either a bat or it was a moth. I'm like, Mothra? Like, I don't even understand. A moth that big? Yeah. I don't want to see either. So Lisa's just like, and I'm like, babe, like, we have dogs. Like, bats carry a lot of diseases. They could fly down and bite Fozzie. Like, this could be a disaster. Like, we need to know if this is a bat or not. And then Joe's chiming in, like, we've had a bat in our house before. It's a big deal. Like, we have people come over.
Yes, it is a big deal.
Anyway, long story long, I go up to Ed's office the other day because we have a call, and I'm in the downstairs, and he's in the upstairs when we do the call. And I look up at the wall, and there, about that big, I should post it, is a moth. And I go, is that the bat? Oh my God, I had a bat in my apartment years ago, freaked me out. I had a bat in my house once. I caught it on the screen, threw the screen out the window, and shut the window. I opened the window, took the screen, trying to get him to go. Go, go. And I'm like pushing the screen to make him fly, and he latches onto the screen.
I can't.
That face, I just threw it out the window and closed the window.
This is a stressful conversation.
Anyway, back to the live stream.
Yeah.
We'll talk about bats later. We have a cute garden name, right? She is Sage Glitter Gloss.
It's about right.
Perfection. And I am Clover
Honeysuckle.
Honeysuckle.
I don't even know how to pull that.
I don't either, by the way. I thought we were gonna have to go get the diagram. Anyway, come ready with your name. You can get it over on our here on our Facebook page.
Yes.
Come with your name, and then let us know where you're gonna check in from, and
it's like your admission.
Right. Lisa's chatting, and you know, we call it My Crazy Kitchen because there's a lot of things that go wrong.
This is actually, I gotta tell you something. Today is like how
arts and crafts.
What's that?
Arts and crafts.
Oh, it is like arts and crafts.
I told you I wasn't going to tell you, and then I told you.
Oh my gosh! Wait, did you do summer camps of arts and crafts with like popsicle sticks and stuff? Straws.
Lisa,
you did, right?
No, I was out playing with bugs. Yeah. I don't do crafts.
I do crafts.
I know you do crafts. I am not a crafty girl. The thought of a glue gun. I burnt my finger so bad the one and only time I ever used it. Literally got glue on it. Couldn't get it off.
Did you get your fingers together? That's the best part.
Anyway, definitely better in the kitchen and not by much. But please check it out. We will be going live at 11 a.m. and Lisa will be chatting. And you can find the link on our Facebook page. And then we always put a link in of some of the products that we're using so you can check all that out and shop along with us. All that, I'm obsessed with our garden. Everything garden.
Me too.
In honor of our garden pattern, we're having a garden party. Lisa wore a dress. I wore my little jumpsuit. We are ready.
We're ready.
All right, come join us. Let's laugh. Let's check in. Let's chat.
Have some fun.
Yeah. Let's be a community at 11 a.m. All right. All right, guys. We'll see you in a little bit. Okay. Bye.